Hey guys, welcome to the playlist of Master in CSS series. In this video, our two topics are CSS Introduction and Syntax. Start with CSS Introduction. What is CSS? CSS is the language we use to style a web page. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. CSS describes how HTML elements are to be displayed on screen, paper, or in other media. CSS saves a lot of work. It can control the layout of multiple web pages all at once. External style sheets are stored in CSS files. Why use CSS? CSS is used to define styles for your web pages, including the design, layout, and variations in display for different devices and screen sizes. CSS solved a big problems. HTML was never intended to contain tags for formatting a web page. HTML was created to describe the content of a web page, like when tags like font and color attributes were added to the HTML 3.2 specification, it started a nightmare for web developers. Development of large websites, where fonts and color information were added to every single page, became a long and expensive process. To solve this problem, the World Wide Web Consortium, W3C, created CSS. CSS removed the style formatting from the HTML page. CSS saves a lot of work. The style definitions are normally saved in external.css files. With an external style sheet file, you can change the look of an entire website by changing just one file. Now, the second topic is CSS syntax. A CSS rule consists of a selector and a declaration block. The selector points to the HTML element you want to style. The declaration block contains one or more declarations separated by semicolons. Each declaration includes a CSS property name and a value, separated by a colon. Multiple CSS declarations are separated with semicolons, and declaration blocks are surrounded by curly braces. This is the example. P is a selector in CSS, it points to the HTML element you want to style. Color is a property, and red is the property value. Text-align is a property, and center is the property value. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe.